Hello traders, today is the 10th of November, Tuesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the trade taken based on the analysis. As you can see on the euro pound, we had such a beautiful bearish momentum, and we explained to our traders to look for any pullback if the price is going to respect this orange EMA or this fifth channel. As you can see, we had a beautiful pullback short trade. If you look at the previously, we already had this breakout yesterday. If you look at my analysis yesterday, we take the short trade and bank some profit. And as long as the momentum is bearish, we consider taking all the pullback short trades, beautiful short trades on euro pound today. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This morning we have seen this consolidation, and we explained to trader look for the breakout. As you can see, price nicely broken this previous high. Like you can see 712, as you can see here. This one beautiful breakout. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, and we explain as long as the momentum stay bullish, we should be taking all the pullbacks. As you can see, we had such a beautiful rally on pound yen, beautiful trades. Pound dollar, exactly, we have found strength in pound this morning. As you can see, again, this was the breakout and pullback based on the momentum. Beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc, we had such an amazing breakout. If you look at the bottom, momentum bullish, and we announce another pullback, and we say to traders stay as long as you see red candle. And as soon as see the red candle, we announce to bank some profit. We had such a beautiful breakout long trade on pound Swiss franc, pound dollar, euro USD. This was the consolidation breakout. As you can see, the price refused to break this one. And if you look at the bottom, momentum developed bearish. This was the breakout short trade. And as soon as you can see, the price nicely hit to the first target, we announced to bank some profit on euro USD. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. We mentioned to traders look for if the price gonna break the previous high or this low, as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see, the price nicely respected this blue fib channel, and beautiful breakout based on the momentum, long trade. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, we announced to bank some profit, and through live audio commentary and through analysis update, and most of the trades bank such a beautiful pips on this trade. Dollar Swiss franc, you can see this was a pretty straightforward sideways market consolidation breakout long trade based on the momentum. And Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. And dollar CAD, as mentioned on the analysis, you can see beautiful breakout, bank some few pips, and look for another breakout pullback after the breakout, and we have another pullback. Price nicely hit later on at the first target. Beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. This was the another very small breakout and long pullback long trade. And pound dollar, again, this was the consolidation breakout long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. Price develop another pattern as mentioned on the analysis here. As you can see, and through live audio commentary, based on the momentum, we had another breakout long trade, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high, we mentioned to bank some profit on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. This was the counter short trade. We banked some profit, and as soon as the price developed another opportunity, we broadcast that information through analysis. We have another beautiful pullback exactly at the same level and announce another pullback. You can see this was the wedge breakout, and price nicely hit to the 200 EMA. Beautiful three short trades on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound, this was the counter breakout. As you can see, the price nicely developed triangle pattern breakout long trade. Pound dollar, this one again, as the you can see, this was the sideways market breakout short trade on pound dollar, nicely hit to the first target. Dollar CAD, as we announced to our trader, price nicely, developed sideways market, and beautiful breakout short trade. As you can see, we mentioned to trader as long as the momentum is bearish, we should be looking concentrate on the bearish breakout. As you can see, the price nicely developed sideways market and breakout short trade. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis and the trade updates in real time with a live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience at all, we also provide Forex coaching and training. If you are struggling in Forex, join our platform and see all that analysis, how we analyze market in real time and how we bank pips in real time and develop your trading skills alongside with the professional trader, or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to make pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome, guys, join our fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.